How to create Uber Eats driver account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Uber app in your device. Now launch it. Now you have to click on this drop down and select your country and then type in your phone number, or also you can create your account using Apple ID, Facebook, Google or Mail. I'm gonna use Mail. Type in your mail over here. After you type in, click on Next. Now you will be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered. So you can close this and open your mail and check. You can see that I have received mail from Uber Eats. You'll also receive similar kind of mail. Open it. Now copy this code. Now type in that code over here. Now enter your first name and last name. Click on Next. Check in for this option, I agree, and click on Next. From here you can select the payment method, or you can do this later. And with that your account will be created. So this is how you can easily create Uber Eats account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.